kunini sisekezelele basuse sesikude that's why niyababulala nibabulalela 100 rand niyabadubula ngoba bayasiza bayasilayisha ngikhalela 100 rand hayi ngama nengane kumele ngenze njani ngithola abantu ijozi yonke hayi nikhohlakele nina nikhohlakele nawe kade ukuthi awuyekisutesi yami yekisutesi yami bambe abantwana bakho abafundile yekisutesi yami bambe abantwana bakho abafundile nimselani Niyamagwala niyampakanyana kumpakanya nibadala kanjani ngizofakanyela umuntu oyi-1 wena ke uyamkhathalela uwesa igwala lokugcina umkhathalela kanje.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. This time e-hailing driver is standing up against the taxi driver. All know ukuthi taxi drivers are bullies. Bayathanda ukuthi bantu bagibele emateksi nabo, bantu bangagibeli ma-Uber, bangagibeli ma-Bolts, bagibele bona nje kuphela so this time e-hailing driver wathi angeke sizwe ngawe qabanga because what do you mean muntu ufuna gibele la kufuna wena khona, like what do you mean? So people are even saying lapha kulento uqhumana ukuthi ebo taxi driver bayathanda ukwenda ngazi ukuthi basinika imali ukuthi siyogibela kubo kube ngisho ushodola ngu1 rand bavele nje bakwehlise itaxi imi ngaphumi ngisho erenki uma kushoda 1 rand but bayathanda kulwa nabo Uber driver nabo Bolt driver ukuthi bantu kufanele bagibele emateksi nabo. I mean umuntu ogibela la thanza khona or kanjani? Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.